Want to show you in less than a minute how I hooked these up to test the range on these. One of these to the drone, one to me, and this into a laptop with Davinci Resolve. Here you go. Open Davinci Resolve, then create a new project, click Create, then open your Edit tab and start a new timeline. Go down to your audio section and add a track mono. Make sure you change any other tracks to mono. You will need to have your DJi Mic Minis already paired, turned on, and you can double tap the pair button and it'll go into split mode, showing a blue light. You're then ready to plug the receiver directly into the laptop with the USB-C. On the Fairlight page, go to Input and connect your number 1 input to your audio 1 and patch. And then click your number 2 mic to your audio 2, click patch and back out of there. Then hit the R on each channel to arm each channel for recording.